What's going on, everybody? This is Future Automation, a place where imagination meets reality, and you're listening to Tejas. So, this is one of the days where I'm going to showcase a project demo for which there will be another tutorial for explaining the code just out of the excitement. So, this is one of the project that I created for one of the meetup where I was going to give a talk on how we can use Python SDK in Docker, for which I'm going to create one video. So, without wasting much of time and with a cup of coffee, let's get started. So, guys, this particular project that I created was to showcase how we can use Python SDK with Docker. And to make it a little bit more interesting, what I did was I created an Apple shortcut and I was trying to control the whole Docker scenario of deleting, creating, stopping, and listing out the containers through the shortcut. So there was a server, FastAPI server that I created on Python and I did it. So before moving on to executing the code and showing you the demo, let me show you there are no any images or containers in the Docker desktop. So we'll move to the code. I have mirrored my iPhone here. So let me just quickly get this down. And there are four main shortcuts here, and there are two supporting shortcuts, so you don't have to worry about that. Once we'll get into the whole explanation thing in coming videos, I'll show you how exactly this works. And this is the server. Okay, so the server is running right now, and what we need to do is I have already added the IP in the base URL. What are all those things? That's something that we are going to check in coming video. Right now we just need to enjoy the demo. That's it. So keep an eye on both the things. So right now what I'm going to do is first let's check if we'll get any container list. So we are running and there's no any container right now, so we are not getting anything. So let's just create a container. It'll ask us that what name do you want to give to a container. So let's give my Docker demo, and let's make click done. And now what it should do is it should go into the code, it should call the server, it should execute a lot of things, and you can see that we have already got a response that the container is created, and you can see that there is a container here and it has pulled out an image as well and then created this container. Now if we'll go back and we'll check what is the list of containers, you can see that we have one container here, my Docker demo. So we'll create one more just to delete few and stop few containers. So next will be the deleting container. Just ignore if I make any typo. And now it started you know uh, working a little bit faster. Now we have all the things in line very well. So we'll create one more, which will be the stopping container, and let's make it done, and then another one is created. Now we'll get the list. So we have all the three containers. You can see here that we have stopping container, we have the deleting container, and we have the my Docker demo. So what we want to do is we want to stop a container. So we'll click on stop container and ask us which container you want to stop. So what we'll do is we'll click on the stopping container, and technically it should stop this container right now. So it'll take some time to stop and get the response and all that stuff. So let's give it some time, and you can see that the container is stopped and exited right now. So let's delete a container. So we are going to delete one container. So here we'll click on the deleting container, and that's deleted. So now if we'll get the list, it'll give us the my Docker demo. That's it, guys. It was a pretty short video, but it was fun. Now, this particular project is just to show you how powerful Python SDK combining with Docker can be. And I'm going to create a series for that, for Docker and all that in upcoming videos. But right now we are enjoying the IoT with Arduino. So let's carry on with that. That's it, guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit subscribe button. If you're new, the project, although if you want to see it, it's in Git. I'll add the link in the description. And yeah, keep innovating, guys. Take care. Thank you.